Can ocean water power my house?
Hi Wonder Crew, I'm Tara. I have a degree in engineer. I have collaborated with NASA and I absolutely love science. Today I wonder, can I power my house using ocean water? Let's find out. And look, I'm wearing our lovely collectible pin that one of you will win today with your comment below. What is your prediction? How many volts of electricity we'll get from 2 cups of ocean water? 1 volt, 10 volts, or 25 volts? Comment below for a chance to win. And with us today we have my son Atisha and Mia.
Hey, I have one of these two. Why did you talk about me having one?
Oh, we will have one.
And just so you know, how many pins we're giving away? 3 per mini season.
Yes, we're actually giving 1 per video. We have 1 collectible pin per video to one of our lucky subscribers if you comment below.
And which video is this anyway?
Can ocean water power my house? So, we have 2 cups of water. We have 4 cups of salt. We're going to pour the salt in our water.
That's so much salt.
Mia, what do you think about salt water? What do you think about the ocean? Have you seen the ocean before?
Wow, do you see how much salt there is? If you stir it up really well like this.
So we have 4 tablespoons of salt in 2 cups of water. So now that the salt is really mixed very well with the water, we're going to place our maple cheese. We have copper and zinc. Zinc likes to give away electrons and copper likes to receive them. So we're going to connect our positive alligator clip to our copper. And we're going to connect our negative clip, alligator clip, to our zinc. We don't want them to be touching each other once we enter our,
I'll just go like this.
Meter here. So we connect now the positive and the positive and the negative ones. The machine is off now. Atisha is going to help me to help in here. I held the other one. Thank you so much. Teamwork. Now
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yes. Now we're going to turn it on and see.
76?
Yeah, we have 0.76 volts, about 1 volt of energy from our ocean water that we made at home, mixing water and salt. So how many cups of ocean water will it take to power our house for 1 day?
Let me scroll through my thoughts.
So let me give you a hint. About 40,000 gallons. That's about 500 bathtubs that you need from ocean water to power your house for 1 day. On average, a house uses 30 kilowatts of energy. This is an amazing experiment that you can do at home and to see how you can see electricity from your ocean water or salt water, right? Shout out to all our subscribers who make exploring and experimenting so much fun. If you like ocean water, subscribe. If you like electricity, like this video. And remember, imagination is more important than knowledge. See you in the next one. Bye.